A happy Valentine to everyone out there, to your lover, fiance, husband, wife. Hope you guys have a happy Valentine on this Valentine Day on Friday, January, February the 14th, 2025. This is what my husband brought me. And like I said, we've been married over 30 years. So to me, I'm not really expecting too much because we always do stuff. So yeah. So that's his little message on the candy. I appreciate it so much. And you guys, I love this wine. If you ever go, if you like wine, this is red wine. It's very sweet. I really, really like it. It's really, really nice. I guarantee. Little wine glasses. I love that little cup. I had to put that in the picture. But anyway, I just want to come back on my channel, my platform, and wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. And tell someone I love you, on this Valentine's Day, or call them, but they really, really appreciate it. I guarantee you will know how that person will react when you call them and say Happy Valentine's Day. So I'm saying it on my platform. Happy Valentine to you guys. And thank you guys so much for subscribing, liking my platform. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And again, hope you guys have a beautiful weekend and celebrate. Even though Valentine, celebrate once a year, but you know what? Valentine could be every day of the year. But anyway, I just want to come back to wish my love to all my subscribers and wish them a very, very happy Valentine's Day. Until then, I'm just going to be a little short video because this is Friday, February 14, 2025. I just want to come back to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what I post on my platform. And again, if you guys are already subscribed to my cooking channel, where my platform on my cooking channel, I really appreciate it. God bless. Um, and again, if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my platform, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. And again, you guys have a blessed weekend. And I'm gonna post a video of this place that me and my husband went out to eat. That was on Sunday, so even though it's on Sunday, but we still we'll celebrate um, Valentine's Day. So I will post this video that we went out to Texas Roadhouse. Okay? Alrighty. God bless and have a blessed weekend. Yeah. All right. Bye bye. is. Did you get the same thing? What did you get? Okay, you guys, we at Texas Roadhouse, so this is what I got. I got the sirloin, the 8-ounce shrimp combo, the loaded potato. I'm just showing you guys the picture. We at the Texas Roadhouse. But me and my husband, we just out dining, on this beautiful Sunday stuff. So, yeah. And this right here is my drink, you guys. Take a picture of it. I love my husband. Oh, that's that Tito you got.
Yeah.
Okay, so she was real nice. She bought those two rows. But and you guys, this is what I got my drink. And this is it right here. Okay, so I will come back to show you our main dish. Yep, we have the Texas Roadhouse. Okay, that's where we at. Texas Roadhouse. Alright. I'll show you guys when I get my main. I'm telling my husband how. I want you to tell me how's chili.
Big meatball in there.
Huh?
I was gonna ask you want to try it before I eat it. It's like a big meat.
Okay, you guys. So I got my main dish here. Don't that look good? Oh my goodness. And I got my steak medium rare, and the shrimp, loaded baked potato. And look at my husband. He got the country fried steak with brown gravy. He molished that chili. Move your hand, baby. Oh, so that's his sweet potato with his meal. And like I said, this is my meal. Goodbye. Check. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to dig in. We demolished one row of plate and roll and stuff, but I'm meant to get out of here. Oh, they did bring, look, you guys, Texas peanuts. For my mom and my father see that, especially my father, he'll go crazy. He loves the peanuts. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get busy and eat. Okay. And this is our dinner on Sunday, February the 2nd, 2025. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, you guys. If you ever been to Texas Roadhouse, I guarantee you they sell food real good. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, show me what's good. But not cooking, show what I got. What me and my husband eat for dinner this evening. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe, like, and share this video. We appreciate it. Also subscribe. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next upload video.